So today we are performing how aluminum foil react with hydrochloric acid and produce hydrogen gas that burns with the popsun. We know a metal react with acid and produce hydrogen gas that burns with the popsun. We see I am taking a test tube with the help of test tube holder.
तो ये एक मेटल और इसका नाम है एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल और ये हमारा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड। तो देखते हैं क्या होगा।
I am taking some amount of hydrochloric acid with the help of dropper.
So I am now adding aluminum foil into HCl.
This is our hydrogen gas and I am capturing hydrogen gas in another test tube and that burns with the popsun. That burns with the popsun.
तो